Recent heart-to-heart talks with a lot of parents of adult children inspired this 5-point checklist I put together to help you build stronger, healthier relationships. This video is part of What Parents of Adult Children Want Them to Know series. You can find links to series episodes and other resources in the description. Some of these things you may feel you know. Maybe you just need a nudge or a gentle reminder. You're not alone. No shaming going on here. Life gets busy, I know, and the days often pass far quicker than we could ever imagine. Do you ever feel that way? I know I have many times. If you're looking for encouragement and biblically based solutions for a parent-child relationship as a parent, or your relational perspective is as an adult child, this video is for you. Welcome. Some of what I share with you may seem like it's all on you to do or to initiate everything, but that's not really the case. The parent or adult child has to meet you partway to make relationship happen. Relationship is never only one person's responsibility, like staying in touch, but generous doses of grace and understanding often need to be applied. For instance, parents of adult children may never know when the best time is to call their busy adult children, so they wait to hear from them. Or maybe some just book the trip, showing up imposingly on their children's doorstep to take over life for however long and with little advance notice. Or adult children figure their parent sits around all day and night awaiting their call, so they can call anytime. Fine to an extent. And talk on for hours or plan a trip to visit at their own convenience, fine to an extent, but arriving with no checkout date, wrongly assuming the parent has no plans, appointments, or anything else to do anyway. These are just a few examples of both sides of the parent-adult-child relationship equation. There are many more situations, and yours is likely still different. So please apply these ideas and take from them what you will, what you believe benefits you or blesses your life. Of course, this 5-point checklist is not exhaustive, but I tried to hit the main points and include essential things most parents may want or need from their adult children based on my discussions with them. Visit regularly, even if you live far away. Make an effort to visit your parents regularly. They love seeing you and spending more time with you. Call them often. You can't visit in person, call your parents often. Just hearing your voice will make them happy. Do things together, whether it's going out to dinner, taking a walk, or just watching a movie together. Make time to do things with your parents. They love spending time with you, and they cherish the memories you make together. Be there for them when they need you, if your parents are sick or going through a difficult time. Be there for them. They need your support, now more than ever. Let them know how much you love them. Tell your parents how much you love them often. They need to hear it, and it will make them feel loved and appreciated. Friend, I hope this video encourages you. I create these videos to encourage you, to help you see how you really can transform your life one relationship at a time, to help you live happier and a full life filled with solid, healthy relationships that are full of meaning and beautiful memories for your life. Be sure to hug the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next drop in this series. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me here.